Welcome to the 75 Not So Hard Challenges. Today is challenge number 1. We are at the airport, and the challenge is we have to pick 3 items of different categories and see who brings the cheapest and the most useful one. So the 3 categories are food, gift, and travel essentials. All this from the airport. Who are you rooting for? Who do you think will win? Let's go find out. Bye. खतरों के खिलाड़ी ये है लूजर कैमरा के पीछे खिलाड़ी या आई विल विन एक हाथ है मेरे पास अभी वो भी ले रहे हो Is she going to win single-handedly? Hey. क्या इसके बाएं हाथ का खेल है? हाँ. You will see this face as a winner now, guys. Winner. Joke. At least this joke is better than your usual joke. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Wow, this is where I'll get the cheapest beverage, obviously. क्या मुझे आनंद में आनंद मिलेगा? Okay, this is much more awkward than I thought it would be. It's not easy to walk into places and film. And I am someone who has no shame. ये तो देख के महंगा लग रहा है ना. Rejected. यहाँ पे एक भी सस्ती दुकान नहीं है, guys. There's High Design, there's Fab India. यहाँ से मैं क्या सस्ता लूँगी? Okay, we'll find something. Okay, यहाँ पे फिर भी थोड़ा hope है, guys. Let's see. No. Guys, little panic is happening. 330 rupees for 100 grams makhane ka dakka. No. Where is my Blinkit when I need it? So far, no luck. All I got was a free sample of Mysore Pak. I think we found something. Let's hope Antara doesn't find out about this. How much do I have to pay? There you go. Okay, मुझे लग रहा है शायद थोड़ा सस्ता जगह मेरे को मिल सकता है. It's called Jones Express. Challenge 1 is probably done. Thank you. 100 rupees का banana chips. Okay, don't come at me कि banana chips सस्ते होते हैं, but these are premium banana chips from Super Munchies. Okay, they are super healthy. And I know how health conscious Didi is, so I'm keeping her health in mind. Now, where do I find a gift item from? Let's see. अगर मैंने ये झुमके खरीद लिए ना, इतने में मम्मी मारेगी. ही का तो पता नहीं, but she will definitely figure. This could qualify as a gift, right? I think I'm gonna buy this because Antara वैसे तो hydrate करती है नहीं, तो at least उसका mask hydrating हो सकता है. I got my second item. Now on to number 3. Antara, I'm coming for you. Thank you, ma'am. Guys, food item तो हो गया, and I think I have absolutely nailed it. इससे सस्ता तो I don't think उसको पूरे airport में कुछ भी मिलेगा. It's time for challenge number 2 and 3. Let's see if we can do this. Come on. Okay, now this is where I'm headed. Okay, I like this, but are you kidding me? Nope. Think this counts as an essential? I'm sure it does. And this is a gift item, I think. I think this is good. This is good. हम एक डस्टबिन को ट्राइपॉड की तरह यूज़ करेंगे. Last item to go. So far, I think I'm doing really well, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to win. But अब travel essential क्या लूँ मुझे नहीं पता. You're not going to believe this. ये सोचते हुए I haven't planned this. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around. Is this a sign? Okay, I don't feel so great paying so much for this, but अभी मेरे को और कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, and this was just a sign. Loser spotted. Loser.
Oh, we are going to find out.
You will be surprised with how much I've spent for all 3 items.
Okay, now let's see.
Reveal time. Okay, guys, because we're authentic creators, you need to know that one of our mic is discharged. So we are using one mic. Now, Antara is very confident, and she has been heckling me throughout till we set this up that there is no way I have won. Let's start with gift. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. It's an art port bookmark. Since we are artists, it's very important for us to promote other art.
So this promotes 2 arts, the artist who made the bookmark and the book that you'll read, uska bhi artist jo hai. So you're an artist supporting artist is always what we want.
So I've got her a mask. It says enriched and hydrates. I'm like, वैसे तो पानी पीती नहीं है, कुछ तो hydrate कर ले इसको. थोड़ा mic मेरे पास भी रख लो. Okay, what is the cost? 95. Minus 280. They are like, मैम आप 3 लो आपको 2 फ्री मिलेगा. 280 में मेरे को 5 मिल जाते. Fine. Okay, cool. Next round. Next is what? Travel essentials. 3, 2, 1. That was a travel essential. I thought that is food. Wait. Not travel
I have
essential.
proof.
1 second. You searched on Google. I spot something. See what's written. Please, anything on an airport is a travel essential. You
But
can't-
that is what you said. Anything can be
No,
a travel
but-
essential.
but-
It was legit written travel essential.
But a legitimate travel essential is that aids you during your travel time.
This
Can
aids
I
me.
complete? Can I complete? It aids you during your travel time, which is why you need a clip which is even matching with your outfit, because she always uses a tiny ass clip.
No, I don't.
This is my rejected clip. जो ये उठा लेती है स्टूडियो से. She does not buy a clip for herself, guys. So I, as a good sister, bought an essential item which is matching with her outfit, which she can use right now. What is the cost?
I'll tell you.
Because
But
I know, I saw this item. That is why I'm saying, what is the cost?
199.95.
This is 190. Can we just get to the food item
Okay.
quickly?
You want to hold? You have one hand. Sorry.
One eternity later.
3,
2.
1.
Please. This cookie is not gonna make me feel full.
But who made the rules? It had
Also-
to be a food item.
Also, I don't like dry fruit cookies.
But this is not meant for
It is-
you. This is any food item.
I thought about her, guys. I was like, she likes healthy food and she likes snacking. So I bought these ripe banana peri peri. I also got the flavor that she would enjoy. I got these peri peri super munchies, which are tastier and crunchier.
What's the cost?
100.
Okay. I got her dry fruit cookies. Cost 30 rupees.
No, I think my items are definitely
But that
much
was
more in
not-
line, because this does not count as travel essential.
proof.
Please, that is just anything people will say for marketing.
I mean,
I'm
but it's
sorry.
literally-
You can't get the same item that is already part of another category into this.
That was
I
never
oppose.
mentioned.
I oppose.
In the
I
beginning
win.
of the challenge, she's like, anything can be a travel essential.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that something that belongs to the other category. Also, guys,
Tell us in the comments.
I get injury bonus, injury quota. So with injury quota, I have self-recorded and I have got 3 very, very relevant, not like her, very relevant items in 500.
Sore loser.
I am in 570 rupees overall. And yes, she has just chindied it out for me. So please, I have thought about artists. I have thought, shut up. I have thought about her color of the outfit she's wearing. So thoughtful.
325. I win.
And I've also found a snack that she will enjoy. I thought about my sister and the artist community first.
बड़ा उड़ रही थी.
Just underplayed too much. No. Wait for the next challenge.
win. You lose.
I think she's just cheated in this whole thing. In
How have I cheated?
she won the first one. दिन तुम्हारा है साल मेरा होगा. One she has won, next 74 I will win. And I get injury bias, guys. Like जब तक मेरे पास ये है तब तक I win everything in life. You know, some 5 people asked to help me right now. I was like, खाना भी खिला दो मेरे को. Okay, anyway, this was the first part of the 75 not so hard challenge.
And I win. That's all that matters.
Guys, tell me if my items were better. Okay. Okay. Bye.
That
love
is
you.
not the competition. The competition
That-
is who gets the cheapest
No,
item.
which are also most efficient items also.
When was
It
this
was.
mentioned?
I will cut and I will show. Okay. Bye. See you. Flight.
I win.